If you have a shipping department, you probably have two things you don't want: a pile of empty cardboard boxes from items that are shipped to you, and a supply of packing materials like bubble wrap, air pillows, and these styrofoam peanuts you really want to get rid of. How would you like to get rid of all of these, be environmentally friendly, and reduce both waste and costs? The HSM ProfiPak is a shredder specifically designed to turn excess cardboard of any size into perfect packing material. It allows you to turn the cardboard that comes into your facility into the packing material for your items going out. This converted cardboard is stable. Packed items do not shift or move. Sturdy. Does not settle or crumble. Static-free, unlike these styrofoam peanuts. Cheap. The raw material is free with every incoming delivery. Environmentally green, 100% biodegradable and recyclable. What used to be unwanted cardboard now becomes extremely flexible packing material that's perfect for any shipment. The ProfiPak automatically trims oversized pieces of cardboard and also allows you to create packing materials in a specific size. ProfiPak machines are also designed to be fitted with a vacuum system for any areas where dust from shredding operations might be a problem. The HSM ProfiPak shredders are the perfect solution to save you money, cut waste, and protect the environment. To find out more, contact theshredderconnection.com today.